Brand new phone.
No, it's for Ate.
Where's the brand new phone?
Sali, buksan mo.
Saan mo?
Is that just scary?
I don't have a phone. With this stuff.
Ito ba ito?
Ay, totoo. Buksan mo muna.
Cook it.
Buksan mo. Ito.
Hindi ka marunong
Hindi
mag-on.
yan. Hindi. Dito. Ito ang on.
Ate, will view password.
No. Ito lang.
What is this?
Ang
Where's your
sasabihin
charger?
mo.
Ate, it's for you. It's your...
Because, you got a new phone because...
Because...
Asan yung medal muna? Patingin yung medal dito sa kanila. Dali. Yung medal.
Ba't ako naiiyak?
Dali ko na yung medal. Pakita mo sa kanila. Para gayahin kanila.
What's the charger?
Ah, dali, kunin mo na yung medal mo.
Ito daw, bibigay mo na kay Kelsey.
Okay.
Bumano ba yan?
Bibilan natin ng case tsaka ano.
Mommy, can you tell Ate where my
Ah, dali, kunin mo na yung medal.
password? Ate, a password, you're lucky.
Wow! Ate got a medal!
You got a medal. That's how we give you a brand new phone to give me your phone now.
Yes. She got a medal from school.
Because we love you. And we also see your medal. Even this.
Bukas mo pala yung birthday, March 31. Ha?
Like me.
Ha?
For
March
you,
31?
Ate? Yeah.
Oh,
Sabi mo March 30.
For Ate.
minsan walang 31 eh.
Ano minsan? It's a fix yan.
Hindi. Yeah, may medal na si Kuya Liam. Okay, get a medal also ah. It's easy lang to get a medal. Dali, kiss.
Wow! Ano ba talaga medal? Ano yung isa? English. Senior high school.
Padali, where?
Dali ah.
Wow, Kelsey got a medal.
No, I don't have.
It is yours.
Sometimes I get a medal at Castle School when I'm 5 years old.
And you were small pa lang.
Yeah. But now you both put.
Guys, sarap ng hangin dito guys oh. Sa UN Avenue. Dito guys sa UN Avenue. Sarap ng hangin sa labas. March 30, 2026. Hi guys, dito kami sa aming one of our favorite restaurants guys. Shawarma snack. Ayan o, kumain kami ng chicken biryani and hummus. Saka dito kami guys, uminom ng green tea na sobrang mainit. Ayan, sobrang mainit. Pero hindi ko na siya nilalagyan ng asukal kasi hindi ako nagsusugar guys eh. Honey, wild honey yung nilalagay ko. Eh wala silang honey. Kaya hindi na ako magsusugar. Sarap. Ang init na green tea. Arabic green tea to guys eh. Walang katao-tao guys. Dati laging puno rito eh. Wala nang katao-tao guys. Ano yun? Walang tao.
Take out na lang sila.
Take out na lang mga order dito.